Hello, friends, and welcome to our virtual Wilson classroom. This lesson is for Wilson Step 2.1. This is for parts 1 through 5. The first part is our sound cards quick drill. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to show you our letter cards. Then I'm going to circle letters, and you're going to say the name of the letter and the sound. I'll give you a few seconds and then I will say the name and the sound so you can check and make sure you got it correct. Q-U, qua. U-N-G, ung. C-H, ch. O, ah. F, A-N-K, ank. M, O-N-G, ong. T-H, several of you got this, yes. C, k, 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 C-K, k. A-N-G, ang. I-N-K, ink. A-M, am. E, W, w. W-H, w. All right, that takes us to part 2, which is our concepts for reading. We're going to review a few of the concepts that we've learned in the past, and then we will look at some of our newer concepts. We have learned previously in our previous step that we have a base word like bug, b-ug, bug. If we want to have more than one bug, we need to make it plural and add a suffix s. When we add that suffix s, it does not sound like an s. It sounds like z. Yes, even though it's an s. So let's tap this word, b-ug, bug, bugs. Remember, when we do our words that have the suffix s, we tap and say the base word, and then we add the suffix s on after. Let's tap this word. P-e-n, pen. If I have more than one pen, I have pens. P-e-n, pen, pens. Let's go ahead and look at this word. R-u-g, rug, rugs. Good job. So the base word is rug with the suffix s, making it more than one rug. Another skill that we learned previously was we looked at these 3 welds. Remember, we said that they are welds because they have more than one letter, more than one sound, but they sound like they're glued together, like they're welded together, okay? So if you look at these, I'll remind you, it's A-L-L, ball, all. A-N, fan, an, and A-M, ham, am. We're going to look at some words using these. Remember, when we tap these welded green cards, we are going to use however many sounds there are. So for these 3 welds, A-L-L, A-N, and A-M, there are 2 letters and 2 sounds. So we will use 2 fingers when we tap these. So let's go ahead and tap this word. T, all, tall. Good job. P, an, pan. B-am, bam. One of our newer concepts that we've been learning is we've been looking at these 8 welds. These are going to be other green cards that are on our letter sound boards, okay? So these 8 welds have 3 letters, and all 3 of the letters make sounds. They just sound like they're glued together, or they're stuck really close together. They're welded together. So how many fingers are we going to use when we tap out these welds? Yes, we're going to use 3 fingers when we tap out these welds, okay? So let's go ahead and say the letters, the key picture, and the sound. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. We're going to go ahead and look at some words using these welds. We have ang, sang. See how the A-N-G has 3 fingers because it has 3 sounds that are glued together. Okay? Ang, sang. Ang, sang. Let's go ahead and look at this word. Ready? Ank, sank. K, ing, king. Good work. Everyone's tapping so nicely. R, ink, rink. Good work. S, ong, song. H, onk, honk. Ol, ung, lung. J, unk, junk. All right. Another reading concept that we are learning in this lesson is that words have parts that go together that are called syllables, okay? Now, a syllable is a part of a word that can be pushed out in one breath. So, cat is 1 syllable, but catnip is 2 syllables. And you can kind of tell when your chin goes down if it's a syllable. So if you say cat, your chin only goes down once. When you say catnip, your chin goes down twice. So it has 2 syllables. Okay? Some of you in class may even do clapping to figure out how many syllables are in a word. So if you clap cat, it gets 1 clap. Cat. If you clap catnip, it gets 2 claps. Catnip. Okay. There are 6 kinds of syllables. We're going to learn the most common one first. We're going to look at something called a closed syllable. A closed syllable has 1 vowel only, okay? It has 1 vowel. There's the vowel, A. And the vowel must be closed in. It has to be closed in by a consonant. There's the consonant T closing it in. A closed syllable gives the vowel the short sound. So in this word, A will say ah, the short sound for A. There does not have to be a consonant in front of the vowel. It is just important that 1 vowel is closed in by at least 1 consonant. So you could have this word, and this is still a closed syllable. We have 1 vowel, and it's followed by 1 consonant. So the vowel A still says ah. It can be closed in with more than 1 consonant. So we still have 1 vowel, but instead of being closed in by the T, it's closed in by the TH. which you know is a digraph, two letters that make one sound. If we were to tap this word out, you would know this word is bath, bath. Okay, this is a closed syllable word because it has one vowel closed in by one or more consonants. I want you to point to the closed syllable words that are up on the screen here. You're looking for words that have one vowel followed by one or more consonants. Did you point to these two words? Such and it are closed syllable words. Such has one vowel closed in with the CH. So it's followed by two consonants here. Okay, one vowel followed by one or more consonants. It has one vowel and it's closed in with the T. So it's followed by one consonant. She has one vowel, but guys, it does not have a consonant at the end. There is no consonant after the E to close it in. So this is not a closed syllable. The word loaf has two vowels, so it cannot be a closed syllable. All right, now we're going to look at part 3, which is our word card drills. What I'm going to do is show you some words up on our screen and you're going to read them. I'll give you a few seconds and then I'll say the words so you can make sure that you got them correct. Gong, ham, shell, pink, Rick, zag, chop, duck, ping, sad, dogs, chunk, jam, zaps, wing, thanks. The base word here is thank, thanks. All right, now we're going to look at our high frequency word cards that we've been working on. And this is just a small collection of some of our high frequency words that we've been working on. Remember, we cannot sound these out. These are words that we just memorized by looking at them. The, was, what, both, from, are, has, she, they, or. Okay, now we're going to look at word list reading, and I'm going to put those up. You're going to see the list of words, and the one that's highlighted in red will be the word that I want you to focus on and read. These words will follow the patterns that we're currently working on. Our 8 welds that have 3 letters with the 3 sounds that are glued together. Gong, ring, zing, long, song, lung, king, wing, hang, sing, fang, hung, thing, rang, sung. Good work on that, everybody. You all sounded really nice saying those words. All right, now we're going to work on our sentence reading. Remember, it's important that we read how we want to sound when we talk. So we want to read nice and smooth and fluently. We're going to kind of chunk together parts of our sentences to help it sound more how we would talk. I'm going to give you a minute. You're going to read the word in your head, or read the sentence in your head, and then you're going to read the sentence out loud to me. And then I'm going to read it how you should sound, and then you're going to repeat me. And Mrs. Klein just realized that I forgot my period at the end of this sentence. So thank you to those of you that noticed that and pointed that out so politely. Just so you all know, there should be a period at the end of this sentence. So go ahead and read sentence number 1 for me. Your sentence should sound like this. Tom sang the song to the kids. Why don't you read it how I just read it? Very nice. Let's go ahead and look at sentence number 2. I want you to read sentence number 2 in your head, and then I want you to read it out loud so I can hear you. This is how sentence number 2 should sound. Let's get the ping pong balls. You try reading number 2 like I just read number 2. Good work. You all sound like excellent readers today. Let's look at sentence number 3. Go ahead and read sentence number 3 in your head and then read it out loud. This is how sentence number 3 should sound. Let's thank Dad for the gum. See how you kind of pause right there? Go ahead and read sentence number 3 just like I did. Let's thank Dad for the gum. Good work. Go ahead and read sentence number 4 in your head and then read it out loud for me. This is how sentence number 4 should sound. Ed sank the shot to win. Notice how my voice got really excited because there is an exclamation mark at the end of this sentence. Go ahead and read number 4 like I read number 4. Great work. Everyone sounded pretty excited at that one. Good job. Let's look at number 5. Go ahead and read sentence number 5 in your head and then read it out loud to me. This is how sentence number 5 should sound. The big gong rang in the mill. Go ahead and read sentence number 5 like I just read sentence number 5. Good work, everybody. Let's go ahead and look at sentence number 6. I want you to read sentence number 6 in your head, and then I want you to read it out loud to me. This is how sentence number 6 should sound. Bob has bad lungs. Go ahead and read sentence number 6, just like I read sentence number 6. Good work, everybody. Let's look at sentence number 7. Okay, I want you guys to read it in your head and then read it out loud to me. This is how sentence number 7 should sound. The cat got a big chunk of fish. Go ahead and read sentence number 7 like I just read sentence number 7. Good work. I wonder what kind of fish the cat got. What do you guys think? Maybe some salmon. Yeah. All right, let's look at number 8. Go ahead and read sentence number 8 to me. Read it in your head first, I'm sorry, and then read it out loud. This is how number 8 should sound. Mom had Ben get rid of the junk. Go ahead and read sentence number 8 like I just read sentence number 8. Mom had Ben get rid of the junk. Good work. All right, here's sentence number 9. Go ahead and read sentence number 9 in your head and then read it out loud to me. Here's how sentence number 9 should sound. The wings on the bugs are pink. Go ahead and read sentence number 9 like I just read sentence number 9. Good work. I wonder what kind of bug it is if it has pink wings. I don't know if I've seen too many bugs with pink wings. Let's look at sentence number 10. Go ahead and read sentence number 10 in your head and then read it out loud. Here's how sentence number 10 should sound. It is a long run up the hill. Go ahead and read sentence number 10 like I just read sentence number 10. Good work. I enjoyed working with you today on Wilson Step 2.1 on parts 1 through 5, and I will look forward to working with you on steps 6 through 8 soon. Thank you for working hard, everybody. Bye.